Hey, what's poppin', you guys? Okay, so today we have a very fun, exciting, just exciting video for you today. We are doing a get ready with me, and I am getting ready to go to Goth night. So, I'm gonna get all done the fuck up for Goth night. I'm just gonna get ready, girl. I don't know, I don't know. We're gonna do things. We're gonna do things. We're gonna get ready for things. Get ready with me. Also, thank you so much to Dossier for sending me a perfume for this video. They sent it to me a while back and I just haven't gone around to talking about it. But I'm gonna talk about it in this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get ready for Goth night. Okay. All right, so now we're in the makeup portion. I already showered. Sorry I didn't show you what shower supplies I'm using, but I forgot and I'm too lazy to get up and go into my shower because, girl, I don't want to have to get out of the tent. So again, I'm gonna do my hair first because I need to do it while it's wet. So we're gonna do that first. Just splitting it in half. I'm gonna do 2 pigtails. I'm obviously not gonna tie them right now, but I just need to brush my hair, put the conditioner shit in it, and then if I have my curl serum near me, then I'll put that in there too. I could probably look for it. I'll look for it. Give me 1 second. Okay, I couldn't find it, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, or actually I know where it is. Never mind, no I don't. That bag is already empty. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 like little pigtails because I feel like that would be the cutest thing for me, and also it would hopefully not look as bad when I start sweating, because I'm gonna sweat regardless, girl, and I don't want the bitches at the gay bar to realize that I'm sweating so much. So hopefully that can be kind of masked if I wear pigtails rather than if I have my hair down, because if I have my hair down, girl, they're immediately gonna clock my ass, you know what I'm saying? And I don't need bitches to know that I be sweating a lot. I don't need them to know that yet. Need them to know ever, bitch. I'm kidding. They're obviously gonna have to find out at some point, but not right now. Okay, I'm gonna use some of this Lotta Body. I found it in my crap, girl, so that's the only reason I'm using it. Because I also have my mother's curling shit, but I don't have that with me right now. Okay, so we're gonna get my hair. Is it parted in the middle? Me doing this without a fucking mirror. Oh wow. I wish I had like a tooth comb or something, but I literally don't. I don't have anything. I just have my fingies and a hope and a prayer. I could use a butter knife the way grandma used to, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't know why I'm doing this so quickly. Like, I literally have like 3 hours to get ready, but I don't know, girl, I feel like if I do it quickly, I feel like I'm in the rush, and then I do it not better, but I just do it quicker, I guess. I don't know. It feels urgent, so I'm fucking going at it. I'm fucking going quick. Okay. It's okay. One side of my head has more hair than the other, and it's because my middle part is not in the middle of my fucking head. And it's all of this shit right here, but I can't. Girl, I'm not about to deal with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not about to do that. Okay, so that's what I used for my hair. I use these bitches. So now we can actually get onto the makeup, which is what I'm most excited for. I'm pretty sure I have a black palette, but it's just not in here. It's just not in here for some reason. So because I just don't have it. Because I guess it's just not in my possession. But that's fine. We're gonna be smart. Okay, so I have this palette. Okay, leave me alone. I have this palette. And there's a black in there that has a little bit of a purple shimmer, and I'm just gonna deal with that. Okay, I'm just gonna have to deal with the fruit that God has gifted me, or whatever the fuck that saying is. I'm gonna get white Jeffree Star white. Jeffree Star white lipstick, and I'm gonna put this on my eye like so. Okay, I am so excited for Goth night, dude. Like, y'all have like no fucking idea. Like, I have been wanting to go out. I have been waiting for an opportunity to arise, and finally an opportunity arises, and I am taking that shit. I am taking that shit by the balls. I am taking it. You know what I'm saying? I am taking it. So I am getting ready for a very fun night, I hope. I pray, I hope, you know? Hopefully it's fun. Hopefully I have a great time. I am hanging out with a new person as well. I'm also hanging out with Shy, who I still need to introduce to the video, I think. I don't think I've introduced her just yet. And to Goth night, I'm so excited to go to Goth night. It kind of feels like I am a poser because I am not goth on my days off. You know what I mean? Like, I am not goth on my day-to-day life. So, kind of feels a bit poser energy. Not gonna lie. But, I came up with a fun, way to combat that if it comes up in conversation later on in the night with real goth bitches. I'm Tinkerbell, but I snuck in, so I put marker on my wings, and then I also put like black eyeshadow on the green pom-poms. And the reason it looks so bad is because it's almost like in the cartoon where she just like, you know, like where like they just like do something quick to like hide, but it's like not actually that good, but like they hide. Does that make sense? Okay. Listen, it just helps my anxiety. It eases me, so that's all that fucking matters. You know what I'm saying? It fucking eases my anxiety, so that's all that fucking matters. Okay. Back to what I was doing. What was I doing? Okay, I already fixed that. Okay. So now I'm gonna get Executioner from the Royal, whatever the fuck palette. Whatever the frick it's called, dude. And I'm gonna put that all over my eye, pretty much. Or maybe just right there, I don't know. Ooh, my eyes are gonna pop, girl. I am so freaking excited. I even have the shoes and everything. Like, I didn't plan for this. I deadass did not plan for this. I promise, I swear. I swear on everything that is alive and dead on this planet that I did not plan for this. I'm just like that. I just have things ready. But yeah. Got everything ready for tonight, pretty much. Learned I was going to Goth night, bitch. I painted those fucking wings today. And I barely learned I was going to Goth night, like, I want to say 2 hours ago. I can't be beat, girl. I can't be beat. I'm gonna get this. No, not that. This. No, not that. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. My Kat Von D black eyeliner. And I'm gonna put it in my water. Like, I don't have lashes or anything like that, so we're not doing that. Just not going to. But it's okay. This 99-cent store mascara will come through. She'll fight for the team. Okay. I did not have to film all that. I could literally have paused, but I'm gonna pause to do my bottom lashes.
Text you can.
Period.
I thought this video
okay.
would at least have something that like I misconstrued, or like he'd
makeup.
play like an extra clip of something
Pretty
I
much
watched,
done.
and it would prove otherwise,
sorry.
and I would have been like, oh shoot.
Realized I was watching Nick, sorry. But here's the makeup, okay. Alright, so now I just need to do highlight, which I will do. Let's hope. Oh yeah, babe. This is cute. And it's nice and sparkly, which is what I want. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, period. I might have put too much over here, but that's okay. It's okay, girl. It's Halloween. You can have as much glitter on your face as you want. And also any other day of the week. The fuck? Okay. I kind of want to put some eyeshadow on the bottom, so I'm going to do that. But I obviously need to use a brush for that. Oh yeah, girl, the smoke definitely adds to it. I am so excited. Okay. Woo, girl, stop. Stop. I'm having way too much fun. Oh my god. Okay. Now, I don't really have a black lipstick. Like, I do, but I don't. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna use the white lipstick and I'm gonna put black lipstick on top, and just pray to God that it stays on all night. Okay. God, oh my god, girl, Jesus Christ, this looks so bad. I gotta wait for this shit to dry, and then I'm gonna put I guess, fucking, I'm gonna put black eyeliner on top, because that's all I really could do. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we're just gonna we're gonna hope and pray for the best, girl. Like, that's all we can do as a society right now. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then we will be back.
Getting defensive?
Okay. So now I'm gonna get this eyeliner that I don't really use, and I'm just gonna paint my lips with it. Oh my god. Took me 40 minutes. But I look fucking cute as fuck. Okay. Now I'm gonna put on my outfit, and then, yeah, girl, we're pretty much gonna be ready. But before I put on my outfit, I just want to quickly talk about Miss Dossier, okay? So Dossier actually contacted me a long time ago, and I just never got around to talking about their product, and I feel so bad for not doing so, because I genuinely really love their product. I just lost it in the move, and then I found it, and then I was like, oh, it's been too long, they don't want to work with me anymore, and so then I just never ended up making the video. But here we are. They contacted me, they told me that they still want the video, so here we are. I absolutely love this perfume. This perfume smells so freaking good, and it's not like other brands where they're super expensive. This girl is only, I'm pretty sure she's only like $30. So she's a steal, girl, okay? And she smells amazing. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be a Gucci fragrance. I say that with a question mark. I'm not 100% sure. It's called Fruity Jasmine. Okay, Fruity Jasmine. It smells so freaking good. I put it on pretty much every single day. I'm gonna wear some to Miss Goth night, okay? Here I am spraying on my skin. It smells super good. It freaking lasts all day. And I don't know, girl, it just smells really good. Okay, Miss Dossier really killed it with their perfume. They really knew what the hell they were doing when it came up in the lab, okay? Like, this stuff lasts. It smells so freaking good, and it's cheaper than other brands, and that's what I love about it. It's even cheaper than, I don't know if I'm allowed to say, but it's cheaper than another perfume company that likes to do little sponsors. How about that? It's cheaper than that, okay? And you get a full freaking bottle of it, okay? This has lasted me, I want to say 3 months at this point, and I still have some, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's lasted me a very long time. And it smells really good. The packaging is nice. It's nice and heavy. Like, it has a nice weight to it. And I lost this in the move, and it's still intact. It also has a little magnetic top. I say as the top falls, but it does have a magnetic top, so the top doesn't, you know, lose itself super easily unless you drop it. But it doesn't fall because it's magnetic, okay? Just don't do what I'm doing, which is doing this. Because obviously it's going to drop if you keep doing that. But it's not going to drop. It's not going to fall out. You know, it doesn't spritz anywhere. That's another thing that I love about it, is that the thing actually fits. its compartment, so when I close it, it doesn't squirt everywhere. There's another perfume that I own that actually does that, where it's not made correctly, so whenever I close it, it ends up spritzing itself on the inside. Really horrible. It's fine. But this girl doesn't do that. Yeah, girl, you get 50 milliliters of perfume in each bottle. Perfume, I genuinely really love it. It smells super good, and it's super small and compact, and I love their packaging as well. That is already gone. I'm very sorry the packaging is gone. But it's very nice packaging. It comes in a really cute little brown cardboard box and has a nice little orange interior. It says Dossier on it. It looks very bouge, very fancy. And yeah, girl, you don't feel like you're wearing a $32 perfume. You feel like you're wearing some real expensive, good quality $300 perfume. It smells beautiful. Like, I'm not kidding. It smells so freaking good. Like, I genuinely really love their perfume. Their perfume is, it's sexy, beautiful, wonderful, delicious, girl. Okay, it's just a beautiful, wonderful, delicious ass perfume. Okay, just believe me, trust me on it. I'll probably have a link down in my bottom bar if you guys want to go check them out, because they're genuinely so freaking cool, and I am so sorry for not talking about them sooner, because I genuinely really do love their perfume. But yeah, Dossier has killed it once again with their scents, and I don't know, I'm just so happy that they sent me one, and I'm happy that they're, you know, willing to still let me talk about it, even though it's taken me so long to do so. But yeah, I don't know. Love you guys, and hopefully you guys get a nice little perfume, because it smells really good. Okay, all right, bye. Okay, y'all, we're in the final outfit. Here's the reveal. Y'all, I feel so fucking cute right now. Y'all don't even understand how cute I feel right now. But yeah, girl, that was the get ready with me. That was the big final reveal. I'm out here living life, looking cute as hell. Putting you back on the stones, like so. Oh, these stones, I don't have integrity. This is so cute. The little shoes have pom-poms. The little pom-poms. So freaking cute. Anyways, that's my outfit. I'm killing it. Look cute. I have little, you can't see them that well, but I have little skelly dudes in my hair. But yeah, final outfit reveal. We'll do one more in the different lighting. You can see the top of it. Cute, Fashion Nova, or no, I think this is Doll's Kill actually. And then the skirt is Shein, obviously. Wait, can I zoom out? Skirt is Shein. Shoes are Depop, but I think they're from Doll's Kill originally. So, and the tights are from Spencer's. No, Spirit Halloween. But yeah. Okay. Anyways, oh, Shein as well. Golf Wang. Okay. Bye bye. 99 cent store. Okay. Bye.